my friends, Tin Man here. Lord have mercy, it's been an interesting couple days for vlogging luck. I did a vlog yesterday, got home, stuck the card out of my main GoPro camera into my computer, and was deleting the extra files that GoPro puts on in case you're using your GoPro to build your vlog. And then I highlighted the 3 GoPro files to drag over to my folder, and I hit delete enter and watched those files disappear from the SD card, and it hit my brain at about the same time. I used a program to try to recover them. It had actually recovered like 31 files off of the card, because I hadn't done anything to the card, hoping that those 3 would still be recoverable. And it pulled up 31, and every one of them had like 80 megabytes under properties. They wouldn't play. I checked each one. So finally, after quite a bit of frustration and messing with them, I just said, okay, I give. Formatted the card to make sure it was clean. I was like, I cannot believe I did that. Just cannot believe I did that. So frustrating. And then today, I forgot that I had taken my GoPro camera in and put it on charge, and left the SD card, of course, with the computer so I could work on it. And when I finally decided I couldn't do anything and formatted the card, apparently left it in the computer and didn't go put it in. Didn't pay close attention to the camera as I was leaving today to come up to the gym and talk to y'all, and I was kind of explaining the whole story. And I get to the gym, and luckily it wasn't a very long talk, because I had made a phone call that took about 2/3 of the time there. But I'm turning the camera off, and I'm like, what does that say? And I get my glasses out, and I'm like, no SD card. And then it dawns on me what I had done, and I'm like, yeah. And then we goofed this one up. So we have this blog talking to you about my stupidity, and then we have our Blue Nights meeting tonight, which I'm hoping we ride to. I'm unclear yet whether we're riding the bikes or driving, but I'm hoping riding. I may ride anyways, let the other 2 drive. Ken's having a lot of trouble with his back, creating a lot of pain in his leg. I guess he's hurting today. We'll just wait and see. We're running over to Randy's in less than an hour to see if we can get my saddlebag lights installed that go on the back of the saddlebags, so I'll have a little bit more visibility. You're making a U-turn. A little bit more visibility from the rear. So it's been an interesting couple days for me. I'm like, good Lord, what else can you goof up, dude? I go home and upload this and throw them back on charge for 30 minutes. They haven't been used very much, and we'll start over when we go to the meeting. So y'all have a great break, and I'll be back with you in a little bit. Tin Man out. Hello, my friends. It's Tin Man here. Thursday evening, about 5:20 Randy, Ken, and I are headed to our Blue Knights meeting for the month of May. Randy and I are riding the Mo-Pickles. Ken's back's acting up and he's in his Caro. But I wanted to share this ride with y'all. What got erased yesterday was me talking to you about rain. Do you like to ride in the rain? Will you leave the house in the rain? Will the chance of rain completely ruin your thought of going? My thoughts are, I don't like to leave the house in the rain. If I got to put a rain suit on leaving the house, it better be pretty important. But if we're out riding like now, where the chances are 50-50 whether it may happen, well, I got a rain suit on the bike, so don't really care. And then riding in the rain, you just got to remember to be a whole lot more careful. You only got 2 wheels under you instead of 4, so your chances of hydroplaning increase a little bit. And then you got to think of the condition of your tires. Are they new with plenty of tread, so you've got more rubber on the ground? Or they just about wore out to where there's not much rubber touching the ground? If you ain't got much rubber on the ground, then you're hauling butt. Hydroplaning is a very, very possible thing. Bad enough to do it on 4 wheels. Not a good day to do it on 2 wheels. Came over to Randy's early tonight. And put my saddlebag lights on, got them running. You can see Randy's, they look just like his. My next option that I'm going to change is the tour pack light, which is still red, and everything I've been replacing is smoked. So that's my next thing to do, is to switch to that. What are your likes and dislikes about rain? Does riding in the rain bother you? Are you, I ain't riding in the rain at all. I'm not even going out if there's a chance of it. Sure glad we're going southbound and not northbound. Wow. No, I haven't. Did you get a chance to try calling, was it Sharon? need to send Crystal another text. The last one she didn't respond back to. See all them bikes on that trailer over there? Yeah, it was like about 10 of them on a flatbed. Glad we're going southbound. Yeah, I need to just call Lance, see if I can talk to that guy I spoke to and see what they're gonna do. Yeah. A new text message, Crystal at Statewide. Crystal, comma, hey, do you know if your bosses are going to actually do a sponsorship, or have they decided not to? Period. We have not received anything yet, and we're getting down to the line of sponsorships and being put in the booklet and all that. Period. I sent you a text a while back asking you and you didn't respond, so just check in again. Period. Also, if you can send me your logo, we'll get it put on the website and in the book. Thanks. Period. Yeah, but that right there is not going to clear up very soon. Yeah, that road construction is really messing up 85 northbound. I mean, from 211, which is mile marker 26, and we're still backed up. Where are we at? 118 now, so 8 miles of total backup. It don't look like it's any better miles ahead, yeah, as far as you can see. Ooh, I'd hate to be in that. You know, Randy was just saying we need to jump on 985 coming home, so we'll avoid this. That ain't going to clear up anytime soon. What a nightmare. We need these 3 lanes. It's been 2-lane forever. We used to have to come home. That was one of the options. The other one's a 2-lane state highway. And neither one of them was a great option. I used to always say I wish they'd widen this thing, and they're finally doing it, but it's a mess while they do it. Not something very quick. It'll be nice once it's done. It's sad they're only doing 3. It could really use 4. Alrighty then, I'm gonna go silent for a little while, and I'll chat with you